Hey everyone, my name's Tyler, and today we're going to be talking about biomolecules, nucleic acids in our cell and molecular biology section. Here's our lesson overview for this video. First, we're going to talk about nucleic acid structure, and then lastly, we're going to talk about ATP. So first, let's talk about nucleic acid structure. Nucleic acids store genetic information and instructions for synthesizing proteins. And here we have a schematic of the general structure of DNA. Here's an overview of nucleotide structure. So we have our phosphate group, our sugar group, and our nitrogenous base. So this, just the sugar and the nitrogenous base, is what's referred to as the nucleoside. Now let's mention purines versus pyrimidines. There are the purines, which are adenine and guanine, and those are going to have 2 rings in their structure. Next, we're going to have the pyrimidines. Those are cytosine, uracil, and thymine, and each of